When I got to Cardinal Health Canada, they were already using demand solutions. I had previously used this with another company where I worked, and we used it also as a system to help drive the budgeting process. So we had a process where we had one set of numbers from the operations plan, one set of numbers from the manufacturing facilities based on their capacity constraints, one set from the marketing group based on how they felt things should go, one set from sales, and then of course the executive finance numbers that came in and said whatever your numbers thought they were, this is what budget you have to hit so we can go to Wall Street with it. What we were able to do with Demand Solutions at that company was drive the original forecast plan, use that to determine where we had gaps between what the financial budget was coming in at versus what we were able to do based on our comparison to the manufacturing constraints and the actual forecasting systems. From the differences that we developed there, we were able to identify where the budget gaps were. Then the sales department and the marketing group were able to work out plans on where they thought they could best attack the areas to make that, let's say, windfall appear out of nowhere. So they were able to go out to customers and say, you know, this is an area where we had to make up a certain number of dollars. They felt it was their best opportunity for growth opportunities, and they were able to focus on that to hit the budget numbers that we were after. So it allowed us to develop from there into an S&OP process wherein we were doing monthly follow-up on how we're comparing to the budget. Where does the forecast stand? What are the additional sales inputs that need to be put in place? And even though the system wasn't designed to drive all that for our company, we went out and found a system that did the forecasting for us. Is how we started. We found the benefits of the integration with DS were able to allow us to set these other things in motion. So it was an enabling tool for us, which really helped us change the way that we ran the business.